Hi, readers. Welcome back to Reader's Workshop. Today I'm here with Rashid. How are you today, Rashid? It looks like it's Rashid, the artist. Ooh. Oh, Rashid said he's feeling a little upset right now. Why are you upset? Rashid said he's upset because he was working on some art, but then he made a mistake. Can we show our friends? Rashid said that he was trying to draw a tree, but then all of a sudden, he made a mistake. Well, Rashid, that's okay. Everyone makes mistakes. Mistakes are how we learn and grow. Like, even today, I was doing a little writing about my dog Spectre, and this is what I wrote. Can you see my mistake? Yeah. I meant to write, he popped the balloon, but instead I wrote, he pooped the balloon. Whoops! So, instead of getting upset, I just learned from it and I fixed my mistake. So now you can see I changed it. He popped the balloon. Rashid, everyone makes mistakes. And especially when you're doing something that's new and tricky, mistakes are definitely going to happen, and that's okay. I'm just thinking about our readers, and that as we're reading, a lot of us make mistakes, especially when it comes to those vowel sounds. Last week we were talking about how there's lots of different ways you can try vowel teams, but vowels are not always just on their own or with another vowel. Sometimes vowels, I'm going to put you down, Rashid, sometimes vowels pair up with the R. We called these words R-controlled vowels, or the Bossy R. Today I want to teach you that if you want to learn from your mistakes, and that's what good learners do, it's important to not be embarrassed about your mistakes. Instead, we share our mistakes with others, and we look at them and think, what can I learn from this mistake? When we read and write, a lot of our mess-ups involve vowels, especially when that vowel is next to an bossy R. Readers especially have to be on the lookout for words with AR, ER, and OR patterns. We call these our R-controlled vowels. So, readers, let's do some practice and show Rashid that when we're making mistakes, that's actually our brain growing and getting bigger and learning. So, let's get started, readers. We know that vowels can make lots of different sounds. Sometimes they make the short sound like a, I, or a. Or we know that they can make the long sounds like a, e, I, o, u. We also know that vowels sometimes pair up to make a vowel team. We've done a lot of practice with vowel teams lately. But uh-oh, here comes the bossy R. What happens to some of our vowels when they meet the bossy R? I changed the way the vowel sounds. The bossy R changes the vowels. So when it is next to A, it usually makes the R sound, like a pirate, or like our friend, Harley, R, Harley, R. When it is next to E, it usually makes the sound. This is often an ending, or you might see it in our friend Ernesto's name, When it is next to O, it makes the sound or, like the snap word, or, the or. We can sort words based on these sounds. R, like in car, like in tiger, or, like in fork. What sound is in this word? Where should we put this word? Horn, orn, horn. Yes, horn has or, like in fork, orn, horn. What about park? ark, park, ark. Park has the R sound like car, ark. What about flower, flower, flower? Flower has the sound like in tiger. The bossy R changes the vowel sound. Now let's use these sounds to write and sort more words. R, or. Let's write the word star. First I hear the st blend, st, st. What R-controlled vowel should I use? St, R, star. Is it like car, tiger, or fork, fork? Car, tiger, fork for the word star. Yes, star has the R sound like car. Let's sort it. R, car, park, star. They all have the R sound. What about this word? Germ, germ. I know germ starts with a G. But what is the sound in the middle? J, germ. Is it like car, tiger, or fork? Germ, Yes, germ has the sound, like at the end of tiger, germ, er. Let's sort it. We now have like in tiger, flower, germ. Now let's write the word storm, storm. I'm going to start with the st blend again. St. What sound is in the middle? St, storm. Storm has the or sound like fork. Storm. We are starting to collect many words that have the bossy R sound. R, like in car, like in tiger, or, like in fork. The R changes how all of the vowels sound. You don't even really hear the vowel anymore, but it's there. I even made my own chart. I wonder what new words we can find to add to it. So readers, if you make a mistake in your reading, check to see if you found a bossy R in your word. Maybe the R has the AR, ER, or OR vowel pattern in it. And just like Rashid, we can learn that our mistakes help us grow. Rashid, did you go back and finish your art? Look, he turned his mistake into a new piece of art. That's excellent. So readers, have fun reading, and I'm excited to keep learning with you.